ICMR's claim to launch COVID-19 vaccine by August 15th has been busted by the scientists. A day after it drew flack for setting what was seen as an impossible deadline for developing a vaccine for COVID, ICMR has faced criticism from the experts. After the claims made by ICMR to launch a vaccine in just 38 days, the experts raised concerns on non-compliance of participating institutes seriously. After being pointed out on the superfluous theory, ICMR had to issue clarification saying that the letter was meant to cut unnecessary red tape and speed up recruitment of participants for trials without bypassing necessary process. The clarification from the government's apex medical research body comes in the wake of concerns in the medical and scientific community for ICMR setting August 15 as a target for developing a vaccine. The letter was written by ICMR Director General Dr. Balram Bhargav. While timelines were strongly questioned by the scientific community, ICMR said the effort was to speed up recruitment for human trials. Amar Jesani, editor of Indian Journal of Medical Ethics and a public health advocate, said, "Firstly, I wish today's ICMR statement was signed by its DG because it was his letter to investigators of the vaccine that created the storm. Most of the issues raised in that letter still remain hanging without any answer. ICMR is silent on the timeline. The statement does not mention August 15th. How have they arrived at this date? Do they plan to waive off phase 3 trials?" asked Jesani. The DG must also apologize for threatening the institutions, ethics committee and the scientific community by saying that non-adhering to timeline will attract action. Anant Bhan, researcher on biotech and ethics, said, "It is good to see ICMR clarify its intent to conduct the trial scientifically. However, the concerns raised with regards to the timelines, the instructions to the sites to comply have not been clarified, including on the ethical red flags these raise." According to scientists, ideal time period required for the development of a vaccine is 2.5 years. In the fast-track mode, it will take 8 months to a year for completing the process of clinical trials, data testing, accuracy and efficacy of vaccine. Human trials of the inactivated BBV152 or Covaxin, a vaccine candidate being developed by Bharat Biotech along with ICMR and National Institute of Virology Pune that begin on July 7th, will be required to follow these processes. The globally accepted fast-track mode allows for eliminating 1 or 2 steps that are repetitive in nature but does not allow for any process or data to be sidelined. The adverse effects of vaccine, discrepancies in human body, reactions and antibody studies will make the basis of going forward in every step. All of this may not be completed in the 38-day timeline set by the ICMR and may put paid to its plan of secure a vaccine by August 15, Independence Day. ICMR's announcement has not only questioned the compliance of ethics but also indicated bypassing of scientific norms by the highest medical body.